Hello everybody. We will see now how to find out the squares of numbers that end in 25. So you must have been very familiar with the shortcut of how to multiply numbers, how to find the squares of numbers ending in 5. So let us quickly recollect that. If it is 35 into 35, what do we do? For 5 into 5, just write 25. So other than 5, if the left out portion is n, so we should be just doing n into n plus 1, isn't it? So if the left out portion is 3, 3 into 4 we will do 12. So 1225 will be the answer for 35 square. But this is only for numbers ending in 5, not 25. Now let us see how to slightly extend it for numbers ending in 25. So we will take the example 225 into 225. Now if we are applying only the shortcut of 5, what we must be doing? We will be doing 5 into 5, 25. Other than this 5, the left out portion is 22. So if you apply n into n plus 1, we have to be doing 22 into 23, which is tough, right? So instead of that, what we can follow is a technique like this. I will take 225 into 225. Okay, now directly this 25 I will multiply. What is 25 square? For this I can apply that previous technique. I can say it is 625. Directly write down, that will be the last 3 digits of our answer. Now other than that 25, what is left? It's this 2 alone. If that alone is n, please remember, if this 2 alone is taken as n, the remaining portion should be filled up as 5 into n into 2n plus 1. Please remember this, 5 into n into 2n plus 1. So in this problem 225 square, n is 2. So what should I do? 5 into 2 into 2n plus 1. So 5 into 2, if n alone is 2, 2n will be 4 plus 1 is another 5. So how much is 5 into 2 into 5? 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 5, 50. So I can just write it is 50625. This is the value of 225 square. So there if you have done also, you should be multiplying 22 into 23. That will also give us 506. So compared to 22 into 23, this 5 into n into 2n plus 1 is easier. So we can follow this to find out squares of numbers ending in 25. Is this clear? Now we will see another example for this. Let us calculate the square of 325 quickly. So here also, if you are following that n into n plus 1, you must be doing 5 into 5, 25. Then write 32 into 33, which is quite big, right? So to avoid that, I will follow this. 25 square, I will write it as 625. Last 3 digits of my answer. Now my n value is 3. So now I apply 5 into n into 2n plus 1. So this has to be how much? 5 into n is 3 into 2n plus 1. If n alone is 3, 2n will be 6. 2n plus 1 will be 7. This we have to do. This will be 5 into 3. How much? 15. That 15 into 7, that is nothing but 105. So directly write 105 here. I can say the answer is 105625. That's all. But if we are doing 32 into 33, that might be taking longer. 5 into 3 into 7 is a better shortcut here. Is this clear? Thank you.